So this is the anti-talk on the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. So you know, it's gonna be quick. So before I start, unless you've been living under a rock, you will know that the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus were announced at MWC 2018 by Samsung. Now these two phones are the upgrades for the Samsung Galaxy S8 and the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, which are pretty damn good phones. Like they have the best display out there, very good cameras, they have a mediocre speaker, they have the best Snapdragon CPU that was out when they were released. So yeah, it's tough to overcome this. However, Samsung did a sensible upgrade to those two phones. Like, yeah, you know, it isn't the best upgrade out there. Like, if you have the Samsung Galaxy S8 or S8 Plus, then I wouldn't advise you to upgrade. However, it isn't that it's an upgrade that can be ignored. Like, even if you have the Samsung Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus, the camera of the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus is objectively better. So yeah, let's talk about the upgrade. So first of all, let me talk about the CPU. It may not seem that much of an upgrade because we all knew that this will actually happen, that the CPU will be upgraded to the Snapdragon 845. But yeah, it happened, and actually the Exynos variant of the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus accordingly is better, at least at numbers, in performance than the Samsung variant with the Snapdragon chip. So that's something to keep in mind. Linus actually mentioned it in the one show. So yeah, keep that in mind. Samsung said they will throttle the Exynos variant so that it is on par with the Snapdragon variant, and I don't think that's a good thing, mostly because I am in Europe and I think they sell the Exynos model here. But yeah, I won't be buying a Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus, so that doesn't affect me. However, I think that if you can produce a better CPU to any country, you should just sell it as it is. Okay, like, why would you throttle your own CPU in order to make it as good as the one that the Americans have? Even if you're American, I don't care, man. Like, come on. It's just a coincidence. Not a coincidence. Actually, Samsung could intentionally do that and no one would tell them anything. Okay, so that's that. Then batteries got a bit larger. I don't know, whatever, I don't care about that so much, because you know, batteries can be upgraded that much because of the space that these phones have, and they are pretty thin, so you know, you can't have any gigantic batteries in them. Then the screen is virtually the same, a bit brighter, so that's a good sign that Samsung doesn't settle on this particular display. They try to make it better. So yeah, that's a thing. Also, the speakers got upgraded. Now you can listen as a human being from the Samsung Galaxy phone. Yeah, just kidding. Even the model from last year had a great speaker. Like my phone. If you listen to my phone in a crowded room, you will hear like nothing. Okay? If someone calls you, you will not get it that they call you. It should vibrate in order for you to understand it. So yeah, I think it's a pretty good upgrade overall. Then we have the cameras. Now about the cameras, you have the variable aperture now. from f1.5, not 2.4, but it's f1.5 and f2.4. It's not like you can change to the apertures between those two. However, it's a very good upgrade, and I'll tell you something. People out there are comparing the two photos with the variable apertures, and I can tell you something. They achieved that, and it's actually pretty hard to do that, okay? Like, take that into consideration, and you know what, for photographers out there, it is pretty significant to have this option, because you know, the 2.4 aperture shots will be significantly sharper than the f1.5 photos, because as you know, more things are in focus with f2.4, and if you have enough light, the photo will be, a landscape photo for example, will be better than if it was taken with an f1.5. And for low light, f1.5 is the best thing you can have out there right now. Like even last year, Samsung had the best aperture out there. Okay, the Google Pixel I think was f1.8, not even f1.7, which was the Samsung Galaxy S8. Now you have f1.5 plus f2.4. Like, you have options, and that's what Samsung tries to do, to give you options. Now, are the photos from the f1.5 aperture that good? Well, I've seen some. They are better in lighting, that's for sure. However, they are a bit soft. But I want to see a detailed comparison before I say anything, because I think this sensor will be good. This lens will be good, okay? Don't get me wrong. I think it's the best out right now, and DxOMark actually figured that out. But you know, I'm not that interested in DxOMark scores, since I don't think their criteria is that right. But whatever, just leave it as it is. So, what else has changed? Oh, I'll tell you what hasn't changed. I'll tell you, the headphone jack. The headphone jack is there. Okay? It's there. It's there. Huh? Does it irritate you? Does it? Well, it's there. Okay? Now I'm using a microphone with a headphone jack. And you tell me you want a wireless future. Well, I want one too, but if I bought a microphone like this, a wireless one, it would cost me that much that I would prefer not to make YouTube videos, okay? So let the headphone jack as it is for now, okay? And we'll see. We'll see. The future is ahead of us. I don't know if there is... oh yeah, there is also 400 gigabytes of SD card expansion. So that's something that hasn't changed as well. Well, it changed. It got bigger. Oh yeah. I love Samsung for these things, you know, for options. They give you options. Like, even if you don't want to use the SD card slot, it doesn't take away waterproofing. Like, oh man, I love them so much. At least they justify the price they sell the phones for. Not like some other companies out there. I'm just saying now, you know. Some companies out there, with a fruit for a logo. I think you get me, okay? So yeah, thank you very much for watching this NT talk. Throw your opinion in the comments. I would like to hear some Apple sheep complaining. Yeah, go complain. The iPhone 10 Plus is coming out this fall for you. Okay, so thank you for watching this NT talk. Subscribe if you want. Drop a like. Share this video. I don't know if you want to share it. I don't know even if I want you to share it. Well, anyways, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.